awkward girl. I laugh at my own jokes. No one else does. Just kidding, they do. And I'm an average girl. I'm good at fitting in, but I don't stand out. I know it's true. In the choir, I sing like this, la, 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 sort of meekly. When I'm at church, I sing like this, ah, we do it weekly. But in the car, on the road, I become a star. I sing like boom, 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 with amazing belting and whoa, when I sing in my car. I pull up to the school with curlers in my hair, tinted windows, no one can see me. I'm rolling to my spot with curlers in my hair. Kind of like, yeah, pretty much everybody wants to be me. When I'm in class, I talk like this. Bonjour, Madame Principal. Sort of formal. In front of boys, I talk like this. I'm so funny. Pretty normal. But in my car and on my own, it gets pretty bizarre. I sing like boom, 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 and what's even happening, and whoa, when I sing in my car, I'm like riffing, whoa, like Whitney Houston's chops. Oh, I'm like Beyonce. Oh, ring the alarm and call the cops. 'Cause I just went there, I just hit that with my seatbelt on, inhibition's gone, and boom, 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 like I'm in my room. Feeling hot as I hit the spot, yeah, in the parking lot, feeling free to be, 'cause no one can hear me. In real life, I talk like this, not so outright, but more obliquely. When I'm at school, I'm more like this. I don't do stuff all that uniquely. But when school's out, I'll hit the road. I'll drive super far. I'll sing like boom, boom, boom. Ooh, whoa. I'll hit the road, I'll drive super far.